One of these shoes will make you slip, the other will keep its grip. The difference? A simple, nearly invisible fix that takes no time to apply, and if you love your shoes and want to keep them longer, you are in the right place. Hey guys, my name's Evan, and it's my goal to share the skills and tools needed to love your leather. If you've been slipping in your shoes or simply want to protect your new ones from normal wear, this video is for you. I'll be extending the life of these shoes, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it at home. Let's get to it. Before we apply anything, we really need to make sure that this leather is clean, and I always take care of the entire shoe, so follow along as I quickly clean the top portion of these leather shoes. Dirt, dust, and grime can dry out the leather over time, causing it to crack and lose its natural beauty. But in order to apply the sticker properly, you guys also may want to clean the bottoms from any dirt, dust, or debris to ensure good adhesion. For this pair, I'm simply replacing the old ones that have worn down, but feel free to take a damp cloth, or if you have any leather cleaner, just wipe down the outsoles. Like I said, I've already applied stickers on these sandals for my wife last year, and they've held up quite well. Depending on how often and where you wear your shoes will determine how long they last. And as you guys can see, these have greatly protected these soles, whereas the leather would have been shaved down from walking, causing a pretty easy fall. Now, let me show you how easy it is to apply them to your specific shoes. I will note that one caveat to this sole sticker is that for best results, it should only be used on flat outsoles. So things like deep tread boots or outsoles with deep grooves may not work as well, but for dress shoes, heels, sandals, etc., this has worked great for us. And as you guys can see, this sole sticker comes in a very large roll, so a huge bang for your buck, and can be used on multiple pairs of shoes depending on the size and type of roll you purchase. Now, before you stencil and cut your stickers to your shoe, remember that you want to stencil your shoe's shape on the back of the grip, not the front. So when you peel it off, it aligns directly onto the shoe's shape rather than being upside down. Now, once you've stenciled the shape appropriately, ensure it's cut properly. Remember that you want to give it a little bit more room just in case, because you can always cut more off, but you can't always add more on. And I did want to mention to you guys, I purchased this sole sticker with my own money, and this video was not sponsored in any way. This stencil looks like it was perfect, so before I stick it on, I'm going to make sure that I align it properly above the sole. It has to align on the top, bottom, and sides. Then gently apply and check the alignment. If not, realign. Once it looks right, thoroughly press down on the entire sticker. Now onto the heel. We're going to repeat the exact same process, just stenciling our shoes onto the backside of the sole sticker and then cutting out the shape. Drop a comment below if you guys have ever had a bad fall due to worn out or slick shoes. And if you guys are interested, be sure to check out the affiliate links in the description, because this makes your shoes so much safer, and if you have luxury or designer shoes you want to protect long term, this is a great investment that's super affordable. Alright guys, I wanted to share my reason why I think using something like sole stickers is important. Think about it. Every step you take wears down your outsoles, and once they're gone, they're gone. You're left with two expensive options: buying a whole new pair of shoes or paying for an entire resole, which can sometimes even cost just as much as the shoes themselves. Either way, that's money out of your pocket that you didn't need to spend. But here's the thing. Sole stickers are simple. It's an affordable fix that keeps your soles intact, saving you from both of those expensive options. And if you're someone who takes pride in maintaining what you own, this small preventative step can go a really long way. Just think about it. A few dollars now can add years of life to your shoes, keeping them sharp and performing their best so you don't fall. So why not make your favorite shoes last? Let me know what you think in the comments. And by the way, I wanted you guys to know that you could also just cut a square or rectangle and adhere the whole thing to your sole and then trim off the excess. But I personally like stenciling mine first because it prevents any damage to the shoe that could potentially occur if you take scissors or a blade to cut it on the shoe. Now remember guys, if you need to trim off a little more to get that perfect fit, don't be afraid to snip off the excess. Looks good. Now onto conditioning. Let's lock in that fresh and clean look by protecting the leather itself. Over time, leather can dry out and become brittle, so conditioning is key to keeping it soft and flexible. I'm using some natural leather cream for these delicate sandals, and they've honestly stayed really supple, flexible, and ready to wear. All you want to do is generously apply a conditioner, let it soak deeply into the leather's pores according to the instructions, and after that, make sure to buff off any excess conditioner so you don't slip in your shoes. This not only nourishes the material, but also adds a layer of protection against moisture and everyday wear. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've both protected the soles and the leather, extending the life of your shoes while keeping them looking great. And this is going to save you guys money on the long run and allow you to keep your favorite shoes longer. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found value in today's video, be sure to let me know by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing with the bell icon so you never miss a new video, and check out these videos next. I'll see you guys in the next one, and remember to love your leather.